The essence of nature-inspired living, a journey through timeless wisdom in an era where modern life often feels disconnected from our natural surroundings. There is a growing movement toward living inspired by nature. This philosophy embraces the rhythms, patterns, and principles found in the natural world as guides for sustainable practices, creative expression, and holistic well-being. Nature has always been humanity's greatest teacher. From ancient civilizations that built their cities around rivers and forests to contemporary architects who design eco-friendly structures, we continue to draw inspiration from the environment that sustains us. The roots of natural inspiration. The concept of drawing inspiration from nature dates back thousands of years. Early humans observed animal behaviors, plant growth cycles, and weather patterns to develop survival strategies, agricultural techniques, and even spiritual beliefs centered around natural elements. Indigenous cultures worldwide have long practiced ways of life deeply rooted in nature's wisdom. These traditions emphasize harmony between human communities and ecosystems, offering timeless lessons about sustainability, respect for all living things, and the importance of balance. Biomimicry. Modern science continues to study natural processes to solve complex problems, such as creating self-cooling buildings modeled after termite mounds or developing water-efficient irrigation systems based on desert plants' adaptations. Eco-architecture. Architects use organic shapes, natural materials, and passive solar heating/cooling methods to create energy-efficient spaces that blend seamlessly with landscapes. Design principles borrowed from nature. Natural design principles offer innovative solutions across various industries. In architecture, biophilic design incorporates elements like green walls, natural light, and open spaces to enhance occupant health and productivity while reducing environmental impact. Industrial designers also look to nature for sustainable innovations. For example, Velcro was inspired by burrs clinging to clothing, and shark skin textures have led to antibacterial surfaces used in hospitals and athletic wear. Biophilic design in practice. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that incorporating indoor plants can reduce stress levels by up to 37% and increase concentration by 15%. These findings support the integration of botanical elements into office environments and residential spaces. Urban planners are increasingly adopting biophilic principles through vertical gardens, rooftop farms, and tree-lined walkways. Cities like Singapore and Vancouver have implemented these strategies to combat urban heat islands and promote biodiversity within densely populated areas. Creative expression through nature-inspired art. Artists throughout history have drawn inspiration from the beauty and complexity of the natural world. From cave paintings depicting animals to Renaissance landscapes capturing seasonal changes, art serves as both documentation and celebration of nature's wonders. Contemporary artists use digital tools alongside traditional media to explore ecological themes. Installations made from recycled ocean plastics raise awareness about pollution, while interactive exhibits allow viewers to experience climate change impacts firsthand through immersive storytelling. Sustainable practices rooted in nature. Farmers practicing regenerative agriculture mimic natural ecosystems to restore soil health and boost crop yields without synthetic chemicals. Techniques include cover cropping, rotational grazing, and composting to maintain nutrient-rich soils and support pollinators. Permaculture designs follow ethical frameworks derived from observing how healthy ecosystems function. By arranging food production zones similar to forest layers, canopy trees, understory shrubs, ground covers, the goal is to create low-maintenance yet productive landscapes. The role of pollinators in sustainable agriculture. Pollinators play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity and ensuring global food security. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, approximately 75% of global crops depend at least partially on animal pollination. Declining bee populations due to habitat loss and pesticide overuse threaten not only honey production but also the viability of many fruit and vegetable crops. Supporting native flowering plants in gardens helps provide essential nectar sources for local pollinator species. Mental health benefits of connecting with nature. Research consistently shows that spending time outdoors reduces symptoms of anxiety, depression, and attention deficit disorders. Immersion in natural settings triggers calming responses in the brain, lowering cortisol levels associated with chronic stress. Gardening activities alone demonstrate significant mental health benefits. Tending to plants provides therapeutic value through physical activity, mindfulness practice, and connection with something larger than oneself. Forest bathing and its scientific backing Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, is a Japanese practice emphasizing mindful immersion in forest environments. Studies indicate it lowers blood pressure. Therapeutic horticulture programs in healthcare facilities utilize gardening tasks to aid recovery from illnesses ranging from cancer treatments to post-surgical rehabilitation. These interventions foster emotional resilience and social engagement among participants. Educational approaches centered around nature. Educational institutions integrating outdoor learning experiences report improved academic performance and student motivation. Programs involving hands-on exploration of ecosystems teach scientific concepts through direct observation rather than textbook memorization. Kids involved in schoolyard ecology projects show increased curiosity about STEM subjects when they engage with real-world applications of biology and chemistry principles through experiments conducted in natural habitats. Benefits of outdoor education for children. Children participating in regular outdoor education programs exhibit better focus and reduced hyperactivity compared to peers with minimal exposure to natural settings. This correlation supports theories linking early childhood development with sensory stimulation available in wild environments. Outdoor classrooms equipped with shade structures, seating arrangements mimicking tree roots, and accessible trails encourage kinesthetic learning styles suited to diverse learner needs. Such environments accommodate tactile learners who benefit most from experiential teaching methods. Community initiatives promoting nature connection. Local governments and non-profits organize citizen science projects allowing residents to contribute data collection efforts regarding wildlife monitoring, air quality assessments, and invasive species tracking. These initiatives democratize scientific research while fostering stewardship attitudes towards public lands. Neighborhood greening campaigns transform vacant lots into community gardens that serve dual purposes, providing fresh produce access for underserved populations and creating shared recreational spaces promoting social cohesion among residents. Technological innovations mimicking natural processes. Engineers designing renewable energy technologies frequently turn to biological models for efficiency improvements. Wind turbines shaped like whale fins capture wind currents more effectively, while solar panels arranged similarly to sunflowers track daylight movements for optimal power generation. Advancements in nanotechnology mirror microscopic structures found in nature. Researchers studying lotus leaves developed superhydrophobic coatings capable of repelling liquids efficiently, leading to breakthroughs in waterproof textiles and medical device sterilization procedures. Future directions in nature-inspired innovation. Ongoing interdisciplinary collaborations between scientists, engineers, and ecologists promise groundbreaking developments in biomimetic technology. Fields such as material sciences, robotics, and medicine stand poised for transformation through deeper understanding of natural mechanisms. As climate challenges intensify globally, embracing nature-inspired approaches offers viable pathways toward resilient infrastructure, carbon-neutral economies, and equitable resource distribution systems aligned with planetary boundaries. Conclusion: living inspired by nature connects individuals with universal truths embedded in ecosystems since Earth's formation. Whether through artistic endeavors, technological advancements, or personal wellness routines, we continually rediscover relevance in age-old wisdom offered by our planet's intricate web of life. To deepen your relationship with nature, consider starting small. Take daily walks in nearby parks, cultivate a window garden, or simply observe cloud formations during commutes. Embracing simple acts of attentiveness cultivates lasting appreciation for the enduring gifts provided by our natural world.